Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best DJI drones, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best DJI drones options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which DJI drones is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. DJI Flip drones. I'm a huge fan of autonomous, self-flying drones. The DJI Flip offers a simple, hassle-free way to capture clips for social media or B-roll for vlogs. You don't need a controller. It takes off from the palm of your hand, performs intelligent flight tasks, and lands back in your hand. The Flip powers on automatically when unfolded, making it quick to deploy. Unlike traditional drones, which require powering on the controller, connecting, and waiting for satellite signals, the Flip eliminates extra gear. This is ideal for quick hikes when you don't want the hassle of bulky equipment, ensuring you're more likely to bring it along. The DJI Flip is highly versatile. It can fly autonomously without a controller, but you can also connect it to one for a traditional drone experience, perfect for cinematic footage. This flexibility suits various flying styles. The Flip is a sub-250-gram drone, compact and foldable into a manageable size. Its lightweight design is crucial in many countries, where drones over 250 grams face stricter regulations, making the Flip easier to fly legally. The DJI Flip isn't for everyone. Some love it, others are on the fence. Number 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro builds on its qualities to deliver an even better experience, albeit not a radically different one. If you already own a Mini 3 Pro, it probably doesn't justify an upgrade. But if you're switching from a different model or buying your first Mini series drone, it's an excellent choice. Its small folding design is almost identical to the Mini 3 Pro, as is the regulation-friendly 249-gram takeoff weight. Also the same is the 1/1.3-inch sensor, which still delivers excellent image quality. Thanks to processing updates, we found it even better at handling noise in low light. Serious videographers will also welcome the new D-Log M color profile, which offers greater consistency with the Mavic 3. Obstacle avoidance is now omnidirectional, meaning the Mini 4 Pro is even safer than its predecessor when it comes to operating indoors or near trees. We also found Active Track 360 degrees highly effective, making it an easy drone for beginners to fly confidently. If you can afford the DJI RC2 controller option, you'll have the best backpack-friendly drone bundle. Number 3. DJI Avata 2. The original Avata, and even with my original Avata 2 review, that the Avata series is definitely my all-time favorite drone. It's perfect for the type of flying that I want to do, whether I want to capture slow cinematic flights, or if I just want to zip around for an exhilarating, immersive flight with the goggles. The DJI Avata 2 can accommodate different types of flight styles. It even has manual mode. So if you're a person who prefers to fly in manual mode, full manual, you're able to do that as well. Number 4. DJI Neo. This drone does a lot of things, despite being the cheapest DJI offer. That amazing flexibility still comes with a 4K camera, though admittedly it has a 1-axis gimbal rather than a 3-axis one, meaning video stabilization partially depends on AI. That's not the end of the world, though. Electronic Image Stabilization, EIS, and a 1-axis gimbal is also the approach DJI use in their high-end FPV, first-person view drones, like the DJI Avata 2. Oh! And FPV is one of the things you can do with this nifty little drone, but only one. You can also save yourself a lot of effort by letting it fly itself. That's right. This drone can be launched from your palm, and then will just follow you using the camera and AI. You don't even need a controller. You can also add an app as the controller or a real radio controller. If you want, you can buy FPV goggles and fly the drone from inside. And DJI offer digital FPV goggles for a surprisingly low cost given the tech involved. That is a lot of choice, and you don't need to go all in on day one either. Start with the Neo and add an FPV controller later as your interest expands. Number 5. DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S maintains the compact dimensions of the Air 3, and when not in use and folded down, it's about the size of a 16-ounce, 500-milliliter water bottle. This isn't one of the smallest or lightest DJI drones around. The company's new Neo model is tiny, while its Mini line offers decent camera performance in an 8.7-ounce, 249-gram drone that can be legally flown almost anywhere, and at 25.5 ounces, 724 grams, roughly the same as the Air 3, the Air 3S falls into a trickier category of aircraft that, depending on where you live in the world, requires a bit more effort to get in the air. I don't mean in the sense of flying. In fact, it couldn't be any easier to take off, pilot around, and land, but in the level of paperwork required. Pilots in the U.S. using it for recreational purposes will need to register it with the Federal Aviation Administration and obtain its trust certificate by passing an online test. In the EU and UK, things are sadly a little more involved. Number 6. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is the only drone we've rated so highly so far. It's the most powerful consumer drone yet and the best camera drone money can buy. Fitted with 3 cameras, 100-megapixel Hasselblad, 50-megapixel tele, and 48-megapixel medium tele. The Mavic 4 Pro takes stunning photos with faithful color reproduction. It's basically a Hasselblad with wings. The Mavic 4 Pro shines in both photography and videography. It's the first DJI consumer drone to be able to shoot 6K/60 frames per second video with its Hasselblad camera, alongside shooting 4K/60 frames per second horizontal and vertical, and FHD/60 frames per second video. The Hasselblad camera also shoots 10-bit 4 to 2:2 video, so it can capture 1.07 billion individual hues. D-Log/D-Log-M are present here too, as they are on other DJI drones. Number 7. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is one of the better entry-level drones available. Its camera is excellent. It supports 4K 30 video with an HDR look in either vertical or landscape orientation, as well as 60 degrees of upward tilt. The photo quality is good too. The camera supports 12-megapixel JPG or RAW DNG snaps, while the f1.7 optics do a good job at dawn and dusk. Safety features include GPS, Find My Drone, and Return to Home. Its 249 grams takeoff weight means you can fly it without dealing with FAA registration. You just need to pass an online knowledge test. We also like the 38-minute flight times, though we wish DJI had worked obstacle detection into this model. Creators who want a dual-aspect drone for TikTok and YouTube should consider this. It conveniently streams live video straight to a smartphone app, is capable for stills, and remains stable even when you fly it near the 400-foot altitude limit. Licensed pilots can consider the Mini 3 for paid work.